Hi there, this is DMR and welcome to DMR tutorials. In the previous capsules, we have discussed about linear equations in two variables and how to solve the linear equations in two variables using four different methods. And the last method we have discussed is graphical method to solve the linear equations. In that method, we have discussed that a linear equation in two variables represents a straight line on the graph. A linear equation in two variables represents a straight line on the graph. But if you have taken two linear equations, you will get two different lines, and there are three different conditions for two lines. The two lines may intersect at a point, the two lines may be parallel to each other, and the two lines may coincide with each other. So there are three different conditions for two given pair of linear equations in two variables. It has different results for their solving. For example, if two lines intersect at a point, if the two lines representing two different linear equations intersect at a point, you can get unique solution. There is only one solution. If two lines are parallel to each other, that means the two lines representing the two linear equations are parallel to each other, the solutions are not possible. There are no solutions. If you have taken two different linear equations in two variables and plot them on a graph, if you are getting two coinciding lines, one line overlapping on other, that says that the two equations has infinitely many solutions. So three conditions: unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solution. The condition for unique solution is the line should intersect at one point. The condition for no solution is the two lines should be parallel. The condition for infinitely many solutions is the two lines should coincide with each other. Now let us discuss each and every case by taking a suitable example. For example, let us take the first case. Two lines are intersecting at a point and you have unique solution. Let us see about that. Let us take two linear equations. You can take it as case 1. Intersecting at a point. Let us take two equations, x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus y is equal to 0. I have taken two simple linear equations in two variables. I will prepare a table and I will give the graph. Let us see the solution of this. The first one is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Prepare a table. To plot a straight line, we need to take at least 2 points, or you can take more also. If x is equal to 0 in this case, x is equal to 0, then y minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 taken to the other side becomes plus 2. You will get y is 2. If y is 0, then x minus 2 will become 0 and x is equal to 2. Okay, take another one. If x is equal to 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, then minus 1 taken to the other side becomes plus 1. Y is equal to 1. And now let us plot a graph on this. X-axis, y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Let us plot these points. 0, 2. When x is 0, y is 2. This is the point. When x is 2, y is 0. When x is 2, y is 0. This is the point. When x is 1, y is 1. And this is the point. If we join 3 points, draw a straight line connecting the 3 points. This is the straight line representing the first equation, x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And the second equation is x minus y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 minus y is equal to 0, then y is also equal to 0. If you have taken x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, 1 minus y is equal to 0, minus y taken to also become plus 5, then y is also equal to 1. If y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, then x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2 is the coordinates for the second line. First one is 0, 0, origin. Next is 1, 1. After that, next is 2, 2. Now see, the two linear equations intersected at a point. Say the point is A. Drop a perpendicular onto x-axis, another perpendicular onto y-axis. Then here it is A xy is equal to A 1 1. Since the two lines intersected at one point, you will get a unique solution. And here the quotient of x is 1, quotient of this x is also 1. Here the quotient of y is 1. Here the quotient of y is minus 1. 1 by 1 is 1, 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. And these two are not equal. So the condition need to be fulfilled to get a unique solution is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1, a2 are the quotients of x, b1 and b2 are the quotients of y. If the ratio of the quotients of x is not equal to the ratio of quotients of y, then the two equations have a unique solution. This is the most important condition for unique solution of two linear equations in two variables. Now let us see, when a two linear equations does not have any solution, that means the condition for no solution. Let us take one example. Here I have taken two linear equations in two variables. 2x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Let us draw graphs related to these two equations. As usual, let us prepare a table for first equation, that is 2x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. X and y. Now here, if you are taking x is equal to 0, this whole becomes 0, this 2x becomes 0, 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. Plus 12 taken to the other becomes minus 12, then y is equal to minus 12 by 3, which is minus 4. Now you take x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Again y is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 12, then 2x is equal to minus 12, then x is minus 6. So now let us draw the graph for this. This is the origin x, x dash, y, y dash, 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, here again minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. Minus 5 and minus 6. Let us plot these points on this. When x is equal to 0, y is minus 4. X is equal to 0, y is minus 4. This is the point. When x is minus 6, y is equal to 0. X is minus 6, y is equal to 0. This is the point. And join these 2 points. And you will get a straight line like this. The second equation is 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. As usual, prepare the table. When x is equal to 0, this is 0, 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, 3y is equal to 6, y is equal to 2. Similarly, when y is equal to 0, 2x minus 6 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 6, then x is equal to 3. 0, 2, 3, 0. First is 0, 2. When x is 0, y is equal to 2. When x is 0, y is equal to 2. This is the point. And 3, 0. When y is 3, x is 0. Y is 3. When x is 3, y is 0. This is the point. 2, 0. X is 2, 0, y is 2. 3 is 3, 0. When x is 3, y is 0. When x is 3, y is 0. And join these 2 points. And this is say L1, L2, and it is clear that L1 is parallel to L2. These 2 lines are parallel to each other. If you take these 2 lines properly on a graph, definitely you will get a parallel graph structure. L1, L2 are parallel to each other. Then, what is the condition here? So, since 2 lines are parallel, they never intersect. They never intersect means the solution set is 0, means there is no solution for this. So, this is no solution. And let us see the condition. A1 by A2, 2 by 2, B1 by B2, 3 by 3, 12 by minus 6. So 1, 1 and minus 2. So these 2 are equal, and which is not equal to the last one. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. If these conditions are fulfilled, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, then the 2 lines are parallel and there is no solution for such linear equations in 2 variables. So this is case 2. Now let us come to the case 3, infinitely many solutions. If 2 lines coincides with each other and there are infinitely many solutions. Coincides means the 2 lines intersects at infinitely many points, and of course the solutions are also infinitely many. And let us have an example for this. As usual, I have taken two straight lines, 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0, two lines. And I will prepare graphs for these two lines. First is 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. As usual, x, y. When x is equal to 0, 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 and y will be equal to 2. When y is 0, x is equal to 3. And second case, second equation, 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Here also similar type of table. If x is equal to 0, 6y minus 12 is equal to 0, then 6y is equal to 12, then y is 2. At the same time, if y is equal to 0, 4x minus 12 is equal to 0, 4x is equal to 12 and x is equal to 3. Suppose we are getting the same points. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will go like that. Here also 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first equation is, first table is x is 0, y is equal to 2. X is 0, y is equal to 2 here. 3, 0 and x is 3, y is equal to 0. X is 3, y is equal to 0, this is the point. This is L1. L2 also, x is 2, x is 0, y is equal to 2. X is 0, y is equal to same point I am getting. Here also same point. Here one line overlaps the other line. That are the coinciding lines. Now what is the condition for coincidence of two lines? A1 by A2. 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and minus 6 by minus 12. 2 ones, 2 twos, 3 ones, 3 twos, minus 6 1, 6 twos. So it is 1 by 2 which is equal to 1 by 2 which is equal to 1 by 2. So if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, then the two lines coincide with each other and the solutions are infinitely many. So this is about the case 3, and we will see case 1, case 2 and case 3 together in general. Let us take a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are two linear equations in two variables. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, you have unique solution. This is the case 1. if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2, then no solution. Last case, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and it is also equal to C1 by C2, then the linear equations may have infinitely many solutions. So, unique solution, the lines intersect. No solution, the lines are parallel. Infinitely many solutions, the lines coincides with each other. They are the most important cases. And that's it, this capsule, and I am signing off. Thank you.